Hey guys, welcome to 100GB. Long time. It's been a while actually. Today we are gonna do something different, something that I haven't done before, and this is my first time. So this is gonna be the first unboxing video on the channel. Well, this is not what I usually do, but let's begin. Right. So this is the box that I received from the official distributor of Nvidia in India. And let's try to open it. Okay. All right, so now you know what this unboxing is for. This is for the Nvidia RTX 3070 Founders Edition card. Okay, let's roll it over and bring it out. I need some hands, I guess. No. Finally, let's remove this cover quickly. Okay, so this is what you expect. The box seems pretty heavy, somewhere around I guess 2.5 or 3 kgs. You see this Nvidia branding over here, some kind of metallic strip design, and some details. Okay, let's quickly open this as well. Okay. Well, one of the most beautifully crafted designs from Nvidia. So let's see, what do we have apart from the card? Or actually, let's see the card itself. Again, the card seems pretty heavy. I don't think we have. Okay, perhaps this is metal over here. All these fins are metallic as well. At the back we got some plastic, and we have two fans over here. So for this fan, it blows air out from here. The other one blows it kind of towards the case. So I guess we would need some extra exhaust in the case. Anyway, you see the standard PCI Express port over here. I guess it's V4. And we have this 12-pin connector over here. Okay, let's see what do we have apart from the card. Okay, some kind of cautionary card. We have the quick start guide. Okay, the support guide. Not sure what this is for. And we have something interesting. Okay, we have 12 pins on the side, and we have 8 pins on the other. Oh, okay, so this is a converter for converting this 12 pin socket to the older 8 pins one. Well, nice Nvidia. Okay, that is it. We've got a converter and the card, apart from the manuals and stuff. Okay, let's quickly see all the ports that it has. So as we can see, we've got around 4 ports over here. Well, the 3 are the standard display ports, and the 4th one is the HDMI. And as far as the build quality of the card is concerned, it's super well built. Well, I don't know why, but with this RTX 3070, the GeForce logo over here doesn't light up, whereas for the 3080 and the 3090 it does light up. Well, Nvidia, why? Quickly talk about the size as well. Well, regarding the actual size, you can go to the Nvidia's website, or I'll mention the link in the description as well. But to just for the sake of the size comparison, I'll put my mobile phone over here. So this is a standard 6.4 inches mobile phone. I guess it's around an inch bigger in the breadth, and well, for the length it's somewhere around 3 inches bigger. So yeah, and as far as the thickness is concerned, yeah, it's pretty standard actually. It'll take two GPU ports on the back of your CPU. I guess that is it with the unboxing, guys. So I'm gonna pair this up with my Note 202 and the Ryzen 5600X, and then I'll post a new video on how the thermals are looking like and how the performance of this card is. That was it for the unboxing. Well, as I told you before, this is not what I usually do in this channel, and why you should subscribe to me. Maybe check out my other videos to find that out. And as far as this card is concerned, I will most likely post another video with all the statistics and geeky stuff. Well, till then, bye bye. See you in the next one.